Ni moja kati ya visa ambavyo vimepata kuzua mazungumzo makubwa katika Jamhuri ya Kenya leo. Hii ni baada ya kisa hiki na kesi iliyopata kuanza miaka 12 iliyopita leo kuweza kupata mpenyo baada ya mwili ambaye aliaminika kama mkubwa wa kampuni ya KVDA kuweza kupatikana huko umezikwa katika shamba lake na kuweza kufukuliwa. Now, police in Keyo South Sub-County are said today to have exhumed the body believed to be that of the former Kerio Valley Development Authority KVDA boss Sylvanus Tibei, who went missing 12 years ago. A court order from the Iten Magistrate Court was obtained by police officers in Keyo South Sub-County Elgeyo Marakwet to exhume Tibei's remains from his Chepkurumam farm where they were discovered over the weekend. The discovery of the remains happened when children sent to collect firewood noticed a blanket buried in the area where Tibei's body might have been discovered. Upon pulling the blanket, an outdoor struck them and a human skull was found, prompting them to alert a gardener on the property. Now, two of Tibei's children with his deceased first wife had moved abroad, while the second wife and the children disappeared after being acquainted by the court over his disappearance. Officers from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations DCI will take the remains for DNA testing to confirm if it is indeed Tibei. If the DNA results identify the remains as those of the former KVDA chief, it could reopen a case dismissed by the court due to lack of evidence, resulting in his estranged wife and another suspect being set free. Now, the estranged wife was arrested after being found in possession of Tibei's cell phone when reported missing 12 years ago. Family sources informed the media and police that Tibei disappeared from his home at 10 a.m. on the morning of September 26th and was never seen again. The discovery of clothing matching what Tibei was wearing when he went missing has raised question for detectives investigating how a man reported missing ended up buried on his farm, wrapped in a blanket. A story that is currently unfolding and bringing up so many questions as of right now. What is your take? A man disappears 12 years ago, and right